everyone and welcome to Kezziescorner. My name is Kezia and this is my wee channel. If you like what you see, I hope you get to subscribe and join my lovely family, and if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then simply press the bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. 2020, I'm trying to,
pump up my YouTube channel. Never mind, anyways.
So today's video is going to be all about testing out some new Revolution products, or newish Revolution products. So yeah, if you want to see what Revolution products they test out and how they test out, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Awkward hug.
So let's begin, guys. The first thing I'm going to be applying is the Revolution Niacinamide Clarifying Essence Spray. I've used this before. I don't know what it does, but yeah, just essensifies my face. And I'm going to be applying the Revolution. Instead, I'm going to be applying the Strawberry Whip Pore Blurring Primer with vitamin C and E. This is what I like about Revolution. They're really doing a lot of products with like these ingredients like vitamin A, vitamin C and stuff like that. This came out a while ago and I never actually tried it out. So I'm going to be trying out. Ooh, it comes out like this. And now I'm just going to rub this in. Ooh, this feels... Oh my god, that smells really nice. Obviously, I never know how primers test out until I apply my foundation. So yeah, can't really tell you how it's going to apply until I apply some of the foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm going to be using my Freedom Sponge, which came in this little thing. So that's the foundation applied. So now I'm going to be applying my Conceal and Define concealer. And now we're going to be taking the coconut baking powder from Revolution. Ooh, it comes in a really, really big tube. The packaging is so cute, actually. So, ooh, how cute. You get a little sponge as well with it. So I'm going to put in the little jar. There we go. We're baking with this, apparently. I'm just going to set my face with some of like the leftover powder that I have. Literally just to set up my face. We're waiting for the baking powder to dry. We're going to do my brows. So now for my brows, I have this product which I never tried out yet. This one right here is the Eyebrow Cushion Soft Brow Eyebrow Definer, which comes like this. The product. You give me a second. Ooh dear. Is it supposed to come off?
Oh, mine came off. Well, that's very sad.
It's supposed to come like that, but mine came off. So let's try and fill up my brows with this product. This is not the best of brow products from Revolution. They have way better ones. I don't know if mine is like dry or not. It feels dry because product is barely... Okay, I see product. It is coming out. I have more favorites. I prefer other brow products from Revolutions rather than this cushion one. Okay, so this is not my favorite brow product whatsoever. It took me so long to do my brows. I'm just going to fluff away the powder. Now usually Revolution powders, setting powders, I don't have really good relationship with them, but let's see this one. Yeah, this one really did a nice job. It like brightened up my under eyes, which I absolutely like. Okay, this setting powder actually is a thumbs up from me. Okay, so now we're going to do something with our eyes, and I'm actually going to be using an eyeshadow palette from this box, which is the chocolate heart box. So you have these three beautiful things. We get the Revolution Gingerbread palette, and I actually ordered this because of this palette. I mean, look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. And then we have this one, which is called the Revolution Honey palette. This one right here And then you also get the Marshmallow Heart Highlighter, which is like this. This looks gorgeous. And then you also get the Toffee Apple Palette, which is this one right here. It's a gorgeous face palette. So yeah, you get quite a bit of products. And I'm actually going to be using the 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to see what I'm going to create. I don't know. So let's do a quick tutorial. Nothing too intense, but I just want to test out this palette as well. So I'm going to use the first shade, which is this one right here, which is called Gingerbread. In my last tutorials, I've always started with like an orange in my crease. It's actually hilarious. So basically just putting that in my crease and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're actually going to be taking a shade from the I Heart Revolution Honey palette, and I'm going to be taking Honeydew. Even though it is a bit of a shimmer, we're going to try and make it work like a matte. So I'm going to put it literally in my crease socket and blend it out with ginger here. So something like this, because I kind of want to use one of the shades and it goes with Honeydew. So yeah, I'll do the same thing on the other end. I'll be right back. I'm going to take the shade called Bumblebee from the I Heart Honey palette. I'm going to create a tiny V. Maybe stamping it on will work more. So over here will be like a mixture of green and brown. Something like this. Okay, anyways. It's not my favorite formula. And the thing that's annoying me is Honeydew, because it's a shimmer shade. Like, shimmer shades are not supposed to be put in the crease, but I didn't have like a green, and yeah, I'm just going to put a bit of more Honeydew. Yeah, it's not the best of formulas in my opinion, but anyways, what you gonna do? Okay, so now I'm thinking what shimmer shades to use, and that is the most exciting thing. Shimmer shade that I'm gonna be using is this one right here. It actually caught my eye and is the one I've been wanting to use. It's called Hive, and it is this one right here from the I Heart Revolution Honey palette. Oh, I thought it was going to be lighter, much lighter than Honeydew, but it's not. Okay, I'm going to try and basically wet my brush. Maybe wetting my brush will help for a better application. Then just for fun, I'm going to try it out. I'm just going to use Nectar, and I'm going to put it in the center of my eyelids. Yeah, I'm just, I'm not happy with the palettes. I think they're patchy, they're not as pigmented, and I'm actually very disappointed. I'm going to finish the look, and I'll do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to finish the look. Like I said, I'm going to be using Gingerbread, sorry. I'm going to place this in my waterline. Okay, and then also to finish the look off, obviously, we're going to be using a shimmer shade in my inner corner, and the one I'm going to go for, try this one. It's called Honeysuckle, and it's that one right there. Yeah, something like that. Okay, whew, that was intense, guys. I don't know, there are much better drugstore palettes, I find, even from Revolution, especially if you try the collabs. The collaborations are really, really good. How are you going to work with this palette? There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 matte shades. And these are them. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 matte shades, which obviously don't give you much, don't give you a lot to work with. But then the other one, which is the honey one, all shimmer shades. So I don't understand what we're supposed to do with all shimmer shades. I mean, they're beautiful. It's just, yeah, no, there's better shimmer shades as well out there. Moving on, I'm going to be applying a new mascara. They actually released new mascaras, and I actually want to try them out. But this they had released a while ago, and I hadn't actually sat down and tried it out. They have the waterproof Revolution mascara. They actually have this in the normal, as in no waterproof, and I absolutely love it. Ooh, I love the packaging. The tube comes with a glitter top, and then this is the wand. So I'm just going to apply this. Okay, yeah, it does really elongate the lashes. I made a mess though. I'm actually going to put some on my lower lashes because... So let's do some contouring. Now the contour I'm going to be using is this one right here. I actually never used it, but I know that people rave about this. So it's this one right here. It's the Revolution Duo Face Sculpt. And I'm just going to sculpt my face. Okay, so this is a new product for me. I had bought it. I never tried it out. But I know it's not a new product. But it's just I wanted to try it out with you guys. I'm just going to put some contour over here as well. And then just for the fun of it, I'm going to also contour my nose. I think I used too much, didn't I? Oh dear God. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, I like this product actually. It blends in really nicely and it does the job. We have a blush here. They had released some new blushes and I wanted to try it. I have two shades, but this is the one I'm gonna be using. It's called Blusher Reloaded. And this is the shade. It looks like a really pink, beautiful shade. Just going to apply it. It looks natural. I only like wearing natural blush shades. Now the thing that we have before I stop is this one right here. It's the Heart Revolution Shimmering Highlighting Powder in the shade Banana. This package is actually really pretty, and we're just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna literally put my brush like that. I'm gonna. Holy! Oh, that's so pretty. Now, to set my entire face, I'm using the Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. I hate how it smells. It smells disgusting. And for lips, I'm actually going to use this shade right here. It's the Revolution Sebille collaboration. And this one is in the shade Get Noticed. Okay, so, oh, well, actually, I really like this lipstick with this eyeshadow look. I think it does make sense. And I actually like how the lipstick tested out. So this is the final look. Yeah, you are hearing about my thoughts on the products as we went along. The thing I think I liked the most so far was the highlighter. Actually really impressed me. So yeah, that was my video showing you guys some of the new or ish products of Revolution. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. I'll be coming up with a makeup haul, because I have some more products I want to show, but obviously I couldn't show them all in one video. So I'm going to do a makeup haul, and then maybe as time goes by, I will be showing you guys about the products I mentioned in the whole video. So yes, siree. So yeah, I'm just going to end the video here, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Toodles!